Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which was before Jaipur ITAT A bench, and the issue was that if the assessee is a society registered under section 12AA and claim accumulation under section 11 subsection 2 by filing form 10 and make the FD of that amount in the next financial year or in the beginning of the next financial year. So whether in that case the exemption under section 11 subsection 2 can be denied just on the basis that the assessee has not made the FDR in the same financial year and it has made the FDR in just 10 days after the end of the financial year. This issue was taken up by the bench in the case of Rajasthan Ophthalmology Society versus Income Tax Officer. This case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal at page number 525, and the date of the judgment is 15th September 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 18-19. The assessee was registered under section 12AA. The assessee has filed the return of income at a figure of nil. The assessee has claimed accumulation under section 11 subsection 2 by filing form 10 for an amount of rupees 95 lakh. Section 11 subsection 2 gives a right to a society which is registered under section 12AA to use the funds in the next 5 years by filing the form 10 within the time prescribed. The assessee has filed the form within the time prescribed. The amount of rupees 95 lakh was lying with the assessee in the scheduled bank. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer noticed that the assessee has made the FDR of this fund of 95 lakh rupees in the first 10 days of the next financial year, and he made an opinion that the FDR should be made in the same financial year, and since the assessee has not made the FDR in the same financial year, so the assessee has violated section 11 subsection 5, which talks about that the fund should be in the specified modes, and the AO denied the exemption solely on the ground that the FDR has not been made in the same financial year. When the matter was before the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer that the denial of exemption under section 11 subsection 2 is justified in the present case. When the matter was before the tribunal, it was the submission of the assessee that even the money lying in the scheduled bank is the due compliance of section 11 subsection 5, and the assessee has not misapplied that money, has not misappropriated that money, has not made any diversion from that money, and that money has been duly utilized for the purposes which are charitable of the society. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee has complied with the provisions of section 11 subsection 2 and section 11 subsection 5 clause III. There is no diversion or misapplication of any fund. The FDRs have been made on 7th April 2018 and 9th April 2018. There is no diversion from the objects of the society, and the disallowance just on the procedural grounds is unjustified. The tribunal also said that the provisions of section 11 subsection 2 and the provisions of section 11 subsection 5 are beneficial provisions which should be interpreted harmoniously. The tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee has complied with all the conditions of section 11 subsection 2 and 11 subsection 5. The tribunal said that in the present case, the form has been filed within time for the objects mentioned in the form 10. Friends, this case is very important. My point is that even if the assessee has not made the addition and the money is lying in the saving bank account, because the money can be kept in saving bank account, the assessee has not diverted that fund and all the money has been used for the purposes of the society. So even if the revenue thinks that the FDR should be made, so those FDRs were made without disturbing the money in the scheduled bank account, and the FDRs were made even in the same bank account in which the money was lying with the assessee in the saving bank account. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Rajasthan Ophthalmology Society versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal at page number 525, and the date of the judgment is 15th September 2025. Thank you, friends.